What's up guys, welcome to another battery live drain test in 2021 between these two buddies, which is the Apple iPhone 6s and iPhone 7. So if you guys are thinking to buy any of them in 2021, then this video is definitely for you. As you can see, both are running on the iOS 14.4 and I am doing this test after battery replacement on both smartphones. As you can see, the battery health is 100%. Before starting the test, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to motivate me. I will really appreciate that. Okay, so let's see how much time does it gonna take to drain from 100 to 0%, as I'm about to do 2 hours of gaming test, 2 hours of YouTube, and after that video recording till its battery fully drained. So enjoy the music and I will see you on the other side. Okay guys, so it was a battery test between the iPhone 6s and iPhone 7 in 2021 after battery replacement. The battery health is 100% on both sides. As I told you, I have replaced batteries on both smartphones. So because of that did very well, I would say, because 3 hours is enough for 4 years old smartphones, especially when it's an Apple one. Well, for me, I will never recommend to buy any of them because I don't have much time to put my phone to charge 3 to 4 times in a single day. I was expecting that they would work for at least 4 hours, but sadly they didn't. So if you guys are thinking to buy any of them, then I would say just stay away from the iPhone 6, 6s and 7 in 2021. But at the end, I would like to hear your suggestion in the comment section. Okay guys, so it was all about the iPhone 6s and 7 battery life drain test. If you guys have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching us, and as always, keep supporting us.